So you heard all about the ketogenic diet and you're wondering, is this the best diet for weight loss? I'm going to explain the science behind the ketogenic diet in less than 5 minutes. Hey guys, Ben Azadi here, best-selling author. First of all, the ketogenic diet is not Atkins. They are worlds apart. The Atkins diet focused on high fat, yes, that's the same. It also focused on high protein. And the Atkins diet did not distinguish between healthy fats and bad fats. The ketogenic diet is one of the most popular search terms on Dr. Google. And it is trending, but it's not a health fad, it's a health fact. It's been around since the dawn of humankind. Our ancestors, they were forced into ketosis by their environment. And when we mimic our ancestors, amazing things happen. This is how it works. We are made up of trillions of these cells. Every single cell could only use 2 sources of fuel. Either you're burning sugar or you're burning fat. We have been designed to be natural fat burners. When you're a baby getting breast milk from your mother, that breast milk has a lot of saturated fat and cholesterol because it helps the development of the brain, which is 60% fat. So when you could teach your cells to choose fat for fuel, you're gonna feel like a rock star. Most people, they're sugar burners. They're burning their liver glycogen for fuel every single day, all day long. And how do you know if you're a sugar burner or a fat burner? Here's an easy test. Skip a meal, see how you feel. If you skip lunch and you can't focus, you're hangry, you're gonna punch somebody in the face, that's a red flag that you may be a sugar burner. If you want to test for it, I have a quiz in my ebook. Go to ketokickstartguide.com, take the quiz for free. So when you're burning fat for fuel, your cells love it. It's like burning a natural stove oven in your house. It's a clean source of fuel, it doesn't create any smoke. When you're burning sugar for fuel, it creates a lot of smoke. It's like burning firewood inside of a home. It's going to create a lot of toxic smoke and it's not going to be a healthy environment. When we eat food, we take that food and we convert it to sugar. Then our body calls the insulin troops and we take that sugar out of the bloodstream and we put it in our cells. This is the way we've been designed to be. The human body only wants 1 teaspoon of sugar in the blood. Anything more, it's considered toxic. So every time we stimulate our blood sugar, we're aging ourselves. Think of that apple that you bite into and it turns brown. That's what's happening to your cells when you spike glucose. Now, when you follow a ketogenic diet and you're burning fat for fuel, you are limiting that damage. You're taking your foot off the pedal and you won't get to your destination as fast, meaning longevity. So when you deplete your glycogen stores in your liver, your body is going to start burning your fat for fuel. This is what we want. This is what we've been designed to do. When this happens, your liver produces ketones and it fuels your brain. And guess what? You feel like a rock star. The ketogenic diet in general is 70% of your calories coming from fat, 25% from protein, and 5% from carbohydrates. Now, what are healthy fats and what are bad fats? Healthy fats are going to be avocados, pastured eggs, 100% grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish. These are the good fats. The bad fats, which I call dirty keto, that's going to be trans fats. That's going to be vegetable oils. That's going to be going to McDonald's and just taking the bun off a burger and calling yourself keto. That's not what we're talking about here. Yeah, you may go into ketosis, but that's not a healthy way to go about it. So what I teach is different. I teach my clients to go into ketosis and have the flexibility to get out of ketosis. I don't think it's healthy to stay in ketosis because none of our ancestors did that. When they found fruit, when they found carbs, they got themselves out of ketosis by their environment. So that's what I teach that's different. If you want to learn the exact steps to take before you go into ketosis, what to do when you're in ketosis, and how to have the flexibility to go in and out of ketosis, get my book. Ketokickstartguide.com is where you can get it for free. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a healthy day.